Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2612 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the refrigerant distribution valve control circuit, which helps control refrigerant flow inside your vehicle's air conditioning system. What does P2612 mean? P2612 stands for refrigerant distribution valve control circuit low. In simple words, the ECU or control module has detected that the voltage or electrical signal in the refrigerant distribution valve control circuit is lower than the expected range. This valve helps control the movement and distribution of refrigerant through the air conditioning system. If the control signal is too low, the valve may not operate correctly. As a result, the system may not be able to control refrigerant flow properly, and the vehicle stores the P2612 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2612, you may notice: check engine light on, warning light in some vehicles, weak air conditioning performance, warm air coming from the vents, inconsistent cooling, compressor operating incorrectly, and sometimes the system may stop working completely. Valve location: the refrigerant distribution valve is located somewhere within the vehicle's air conditioning refrigerant system. The exact location depends on the vehicle make and model. It may be located near the compressor, condenser, evaporator, or refrigerant lines. Because the system contains pressurized refrigerant, the refrigerant lines should only be serviced using proper recovery equipment. Common causes: the most common causes of P2612 include: faulty refrigerant distribution valve, short to ground in the control circuit, damaged wiring, broken wires, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, poor power supply, faulty control module, or other electrical problems in the system. A damaged wire or faulty valve is one of the first things you should check. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional related trouble codes. Inspect the valve wiring and electrical connector for damage or corrosion. Check for broken wires or loose terminals. Use a multimeter to test the power, ground, and control circuit. Use a professional scan tool to command the valve and check whether it responds correctly. Also inspect the system for other faults that may affect operation. How to fix P2612: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to ground condition. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor electrical connections. Replace the faulty refrigerant distribution valve if testing confirms failure. Repair the control circuit if necessary. Clear the trouble code. Then test the system to make sure proper cooling has returned. Final result: fixing P2612 can restore proper refrigerant valve control, improve cooling performance, and help prevent the warning light from returning. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.